Well, that wasn't how I expected my comeback video to start. Oh, that's gonna bruise. Anyway, we'll start this again. Welcome back to the channel, hope you're well. Sorry it's been so long. Like I said in my last video, I've been just really busy with work. Been doing sort of 90, 100 hour weeks. It's been stupid. And the time I have had off, I've been sort of spending time with the wife because, well, I'm married and I should really spend time with the wife. So unfortunately the vlogging had to push to one side, but I am back. I'm full of ideas, so fingers crossed about giving you some decent content, some decent videos to watch. Like I said, I don't think I'm going to be able to do the one video a week as I used to because I'm still really busy at work, and it just seems a bit relentless at the moment. So I'll get a video out to you hopefully once, twice a month. Hopefully once, twice a month. That's my plan anyway. I've got a few things in mind that I want to do. So yeah, we'll just see how it goes. So today is my birthday. It's August the 5th. I'm recording this. Yeah, the wife's at work. Everyone else is at work. I'm sort of just on my own really. So I thought what I'd do is jump on the bike and go and find some cake because it's my birthday. Riding my bike and getting cake. It's got to be done. So welcome back on board the XR. I didn't fall off this, so far so good. I mean, fingers crossed I don't fall off this because I'll be a bit more annoyed if I fall off this like I did in stall. I could have edited that out by the way, but I thought, well, bit of fun in it, so hopefully it makes you laugh. So like I said, back in the garage then, I am on the hunt for some cake because it's my birthday, if I haven't mentioned. Sun is shining. I mean, it's 20 degrees down this road because it's full of trees, but before I turned onto this road it was like 23, 24 I think, so surprised how much difference trees make. So yeah, apologies for the very long wait for me to come back from my videos, but it feels a little bit strange to be honest to be talking about helmet again because I haven't done it for so long. It's a little bit weird, but nonetheless, like I say, I am back. I will be getting some more videos out to you. Like I said earlier on, my ideas. So I've now done I think it's about 6,000 miles on this bike. I think I bought it back in February. Obviously, as you well know if you're watching my channel, I did go to Yorkshire on a tour. That all went wrong with the vlogging side of things anyway. The actual tour was great, I really enjoyed it. And I have also been on tour to Wales. Now stuck behind all this traffic. Go to the front. The joys of a motorbike. I know it annoys people, but it's sort of tough. I am so sick and tired of this sat nav telling me it's got poor satellite reception. Just does my nutting. Does it a lot as well, to be fair. It's the Nav 5, BMW Nav 5, but it's always coming up with poor signal reception. I don't know whether to go back to a phone or keep the sat nav, I don't know, or just get a completely different sat nav. I just don't really know, but that does my nutting. God, come on, I've been sitting there for ages. Hey, about time. Right, we're off. Back in search of cake. Just what I want. All the lorries go the same way as I'm going. Lovely. Anyway, like I was saying, I have also been on a Wales tour as well as the Yorkshire tour, but I tried something a little bit different. I tried to mount the camera on a handlebar mount with the camera on top, so I could sort of talk to the camera as well as being able to, for you to see when I turn the camera around. Well, well, let's just say it didn't work. One, you couldn't hear me, and two, because it rained pretty much the whole time I was in Wales, when you get water in a GoPro, the audio sounds, well, it sounds awful. So when I look back at that, I couldn't really make a video out of that because the audio was terrible, and because it rained pretty much the whole time I was there, it was kind of pointless recording anything. So yeah, so the 2 tours I've been on, I couldn't vlog, annoyingly, but I suppose that is the way it is, isn't it? You win some, you lose some. I'm not going to get frustrated about it. So the idea I've got coming up, I've done about 6,000 miles on this bike since I've had it. I think I bought it back in February. So I think it's about time I do my long-term review of the bike, see what I like about it, what I don't like about it. So that'll be coming up. I've got a few ride-outs I'm going on, so hopefully I'll be able to vlog them for you. I'm not going to tell you too much about them just yet in case they don't happen. I still haven't been able to get to any bike meets this year, which is quite annoying. But every time there's a bike meet on, I'm at work, so yeah, that's frustrating. So I haven't been able to vlog any of them because I haven't been to any. So another thing I want to try and do before the winter sets in is I want to go and take a bike out. I don't know what bike yet. I've had sports bikes, I've had naked bikes. How we doing, bud? Obviously I've got a sports tourer bike, I've had obviously the Versas as well, so maybe something like a cruiser or something. Obviously I won't be able to give it a full review because when you test ride a bike they only let you out for about an hour, so it'll be pretty much just like a first ride review of what I think of whatever bike I take out. I've got a few ideas of what I might want to take out, obviously depending on time for work and all the rest of it. So if you haven't clocked, I'm actually on the way to Walker's Cafe because, well, I know their cakes are good there. So it seemed the obvious choice to go to. One day I might come down there and watch the planes and bring you with me. If that's something you'd like to see, this is RAF Lakenheath. This is where all the fighter jets, the American fighter jets are. They're all based there, so if that's something you'd like to see, then please bung it in the comments, let me know, and then I'll try and find some time to go and do a vlog of coming to Lakenheath and watching the planes go by. Another thing I want to try and do this year, like on the Versas, I don't want to stop riding for the winter months, so I am planning to buy some heated clothing. I'm still not sure yet whether I'm going to go the Kias route, Kias, I don't know, down that route, or whether I go for the, I think it's Gerberg or something, heated jackets and stuff. I'm going to buy one or the other, I'm just not really sure yet which one. I've already got heated gloves and obviously heated grips, but so I don't really need the gloves to go with the jackets. But it'd be interesting to see if I could actually connect my gloves to the jacket, if there's the same connection and all that. So if I can, it's a result. If I can't, then oh well, never mind. I'm not forking out more heated gloves, they're expensive. We are now pulling into Walker's. Busy as usual on a Friday afternoon. Oh, lots of bikes on a Friday afternoon. That's it, love, where are we going? Lots and lots of bikes. Right, I'm going to go myself something to eat and drink. I'll come back to you shortly. Right, that's me fed and watered. I can try and get through that lot. That was a nice little bit of cake anyway. Unfortunately, we're going back down the road I've just come up to get to Walker's because, well, otherwise it's back down the bypass and no one wants to go down the bypass today. Such a nice day today. So nice to be able to get out on the bike. and enjoy it instead of just riding it to work and back, because I've been using the bike just backwards and forwards to work and it's pretty boring, as you probably would have seen by some of the other videos I've done. Bloody hell, a cruiser nodding and another cruiser nodding. They obviously went Harley cruisers because Harleys don't nod back. So you probably noticed I haven't got my Insta 360 camera sitting there, and obviously you haven't seen any footage of me riding the bike. That's something I am toying with at the moment. The problem with having two cameras is it's a little bit of a pain in the backside to edit, and I want to enjoy editing it. Oh, I need to get some fuel apparently. So yeah, so I'm looking at just doing the one camera. I know this video is going to be pretty much all just on the bike, but the idea is I want to be able to get off the bike and talk to the camera when I'm off the bike, and when I'm on the bike just do this sort of stuff. And that probably doesn't make much sense right now, but it will do. So one thing I do want to say is a huge thank you to all of you guys that subscribe to my channel. After my last video I sort of half expected to lose quite a lot of subscribers, but in actual fact I actually gained quite a few. I mean, I'm not saying it's all from that last video, don't get me wrong. I know you will just generally get subscribers for other videos I've made and people have watched, but yeah, I mean I didn't lose any of you, and that's a massive thank you to that, because I completely expected to lose quite a few. I think when I made that video I was about 170, and now I'm like 206, and I'm just quite surprised. Good old RAF Lake Heath again. There must be something going on. Woo! What? To be honest, that probably scared the shit out of me. Didn't expect that noise, didn't even see the aircraft on the runway. Well, that took me by surprise. Yeah, I might do a little video actually of hill viewing area of Lake Heath. I'm hoping the GoPro picked it up, but that was loud. That was proper loud. I suppose really I should let you go, because I'm now going to go home and get ready for work, because I'm working on my birthday. That's the point. Does anyone else have to buy cakes on your birthday to give to your work colleagues? How's that even a thing? It's my birthday, but yet I'm going to have to buy cakes for everybody else. Does anyone else get that? Does anyone else have to do that? In the comments, pop in the comments, let me know if you do, or if it's just where I work. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there, guys. Thank you very, very, very much for staying with me through my little hiatus, or break, or meltdown, or whatever you want to call it. I am back now. I've got some ideas, like I said. So hopefully you want to stick with me and go through the journey with me. And I hope you enjoy the rest of the content. I hope you enjoy the rest of the content that I bring you. Oh, it looks like I'm going to be stuck in this truck for a while, guys, so it's not going to be fun to watch, so I shall catch you on the next video. Speak to you soon.